This is Isra Sablani, out for her wedding day photos, when carnage strikes the city of Beirut. Isra's video has gone viral and has come to symbolize that fateful day. But how close was she to the blast? And what can the video tell us?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
On Tuesday the 4th of August, 2020, just after 6 p.m. local time, an explosion ripped through Beirut's port. Earlier reports said that a warehouse containing fireworks was ablaze. The explosion left 135 and counting dead, with more than 5,000 injured, leaving a further 500,000 homeless. In this episode of Investigations, we debunk the many lies and untruths circulating about the blast. The series of explosions happened at the port of Beirut, its gateway to the sea. A stone throw away, in downtown Beirut, Isra is posing for her wedding photos near the Pearl Gallery. We can pinpoint her exact location because the shop front of the Pearl Gallery is visible in the video that we showed you at the beginning. Using this location, we can conclude that Isra was about a kilometer away from the blast. But we can also use other references and markers to conclude that she was at this precise location. Firstly, the concrete spheres on the ground, and the window details are an exact match, as we see in the original video.
Question on Lebanon. You called this an attack. Are you confident that this was an attack and not an accident?
Well, it would seem like it based on the explosion. I met with some of our great generals and they just seemed to feel that it was. This was not some kind of a manufacturing explosion type of event. This was seems to be, according to them, they would know better than I would, but they seem to think it was a attack. It was a bomb of some kind, yes.
This is the site of the explosion and the destroyed grain silos. Hours later, a multitude of fake videos were starting to appear online, depicting missiles. We've slowed the video down in order to catch it frame by frame. This is the original video when compared to the edited version. And videos like this appear all over the internet. This one appears to show the missile hitting the port. On the left is the original video. On the right is the thermal image. Once again, we've slowed the video down. Here we see the moment of impact. On the original video, there is no missile present, but on the thermal, we can clearly see an edited-in missile. In conclusion, the blast shook Beirut to its core. But won't help anyone is the spread of fake news and fake videos. Suleiman Sais, SBC News.